What's crack-a-lacking, guys? It's your boy Tamarindo Estia here with another video. Sorry that the file got corrupted on the audio, but yeah, guys, we're gonna be hitting the EP3 today. I got a couple things that I want to do. One of them is gonna be changing out the axle, and then another is gonna be putting on a front lip on the car. Yeah, right here I pretty much picked up the axle, and the video is gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. I ended up shaking the axles to make sure, hey, is it this one or not? And yeah, guys, it ended up being that this one was very shaky. So let's go ahead and start the process. Oh, look, check this out. Found this at AutoZone. Instead of having a key like this, you put this on your impact. There we go. Shitotskis. Tires look good. We ended up getting some Falcons, guys. Beefy tires. So let's go ahead and take this off. It's gonna be a 32. Got my handy dandy axle now. What? Ahorita me la dieron. Go ahead and take this off. 3. Sheesh. Okay, that's off. Put some gloves on because it's gonna be dirty. It's gonna be a dirty boy. Dame una de las engine stands, Marty. Ahorita, what are you looking for?
Light.
Cool.
You want a jacket?
Yeah. Take a look in here. Make sure it's not leaking anymore. Chequenle. Un little rundown para ustedes para que aprendan, no digan que no les enseño. Go ahead and put your jack down there porque safety first, no queremos que se nos caiga el carro. We're gonna go ahead and hit it. Vamos a primero desconectar the hub from the coilover, and it's 2 bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and use an impact because those are always stuck pretty hard in there. So yeah, guys, eso. Y luego the next thing that we're gonna go ahead after we get those 2 bolts out is gonna be the caliper, and that's so we can get a little bit more rotation when we turn it, since all that's connected. Yeah, and it's only just 2 bolts in the back, guys. Super easy. Once you get those out, you're gonna get a little bit more rotation. So aquí ya sale el axle, como vamos a ver, and then we're gonna go ahead and move to the bottom. Now that we're done up there, we're gonna go ahead and go to the bottom and disconnect the axle straight from the transmission, guys. This one's a little tricky since the car's pretty low, pero ya saben, tiene su maña. Nomás una acomodadita, una levantadita. Safety first again. Right here I have a fork. I'm hitting it from the inside para que it lets it loose, since it's connected to the inside of the axle, and it pops up. And easy as that, guys. Ya nomás de jalarle su buen jalón y ándele. Sheesh. And just like that, guys, it is out. So, a ver, dámela. I'm gonna check it compared to the new one, the old one. Oh, damn. This one was hella leaking. No wonder estaba tronando. Looks the same. Let's go ahead, put the new one on. So first I want to do is clean that area a little bit. So let's why we're back down. Ahorita vamos a ponernos a limpiarle right here, guys, con el Walmart Parts Cleaner. You know that. You gotta use all that up. Don't be cheap on that thing, boy. Yeah, limpialo bien chingón. No como yo, y nomás lo dejé más o menos. I went ahead and put the axle back in. It was giving me a little bit of a trouble. It was kind of annoying. But then, I got it. Ya lo metí bien. Pa. And yeah, went in perfectly on the hub. Aquí estaba acomodando todo. I decided, let me tighten the hub and the suspension back up. So I went ahead and did that. I actually ended up switching the bolts because estaban chuecos. One was on top and one was on the bottom, but they were flipped. Yeah, tightened it up, and then I went ahead and tried to put the caliper. The brake pads were squished a little bit too much. And then I fixed it. But super easy, guys, nothing hard. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump on to the lip. All right, guys, we ended up picking up the alcohol, the 70%, and a towel. We're gonna go ahead and clean all the surface down here where we're gonna put it. So let me quickly put you guys on the floor. Like you guys can see, I think this is a good angle. So all this right here, we're gonna go ahead and clean. Quítate. No manches, Vali. Perdí el pinche video where it tells you, I'm telling you guys what the lip is. It's actually called an easy lip, guys. It's kind of like a foam lip. It has double-sided tape, super easy to install. You just clean your surface, then you go ahead and remove that tape. Poquito a poquito, you go around the car. Honestly, I'm not a big lip guy because of the reason that my driveway, they scrape everywhere. I've broken them multiple times, so it's not worth it for me. But this one gives me the style that I really want, which is that small lip look. And honestly, guys, they work and they look so nice. You're gonna go ahead and see that once I back out right here. 40 minutes. I think I had 45 minutes of camera life. Now at 9 minutes for the SIM card. Let's go ahead and drop this bad boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sheesh. Check it out, guys. Tell me that lip does not look clean. Ooh.
¡Ay, güey, mi mente!
You guys saw that? Ya se iba. Yeah, something like that, guys. Something that doesn't look clean. Ooh, I like that. I like that. You know what I should have done? I should have ordered another one and put it on the... Dang, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and order 2 more of those and do like a full lip kit around the whole car. Cause this one alcanza for the whole thing. I think it's 8 feet. Yeah, cause if I were to put it on the sides, I feel like it'd look clean. But yeah, guys, I thought my brother has the same lip. Watch this. You guys can see. Must get he didn't install it right like me. Dang. But yeah, guys, that's it. Just wanted to quickly show you guys that stuff. Those lips are about like $16 on Amazon. Go ahead and copy yourself one. It's not sponsored or anything. I've just used these like on the last 4 cars I've owned. Really like them. They're durable. As long as you do it right, like how I did it, clean the surface, prep it, take your time. Don't go drive it right away because you need it to settle. And yeah, and it should last you forever. I mean, my brother's has been on there for the last 1.5 years. Hopefully this one stays on the car to wherever I sell it to. The next thing I really want to do, but I have to go upload all this footage into the camera, is clean my headlights. And I want to polish the hood and everything. That's something else that I really want to do. I mean, the whole car. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys like that, how to install the axle and then quick lip installation. Nothing crazy. Another thing that I want to do, actually, you see how this tire is straight? Come look at this, guys. Before we go, is this tire is poking out from the back. So off camera, go up. Let's push the tire rod in and fix that. But I'm gonna do that off camera. You guys don't want to see that stuff. Pretty boring. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and call it a video right here. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you took something out of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the content, guys. It's really fun making this type of stuff. Yeah, just like button down below. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, y como dicen chiquitita por ahí. Chau, chau.